Look alright? Yeah, if you have to go over it, that's alright. That's it, perfect. That's it. Yeah, you'll get a little rock sometimes, you just brush it off if you have to. Yep. That's it. Come down. Perfect. Yeah, that one's clean, straight. Yeah, that's the thing you've got to watch too when you're smacking it everywhere, because it's just more that you have to clean up.
Yeah.
But just hold it a bit more stable, that's all. How's that one look? Pretty good? Yeah, it does.
Too dirty to boil.
But that's alright. You know, because it's your first time, all you do with your 4-inch, clean it up, and that's it. That's sandable. Same as this one, same as the top.
Oh, I definitely take it.
And that's it. You know, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just those little bits, you know. So you've only done 300, and then you'll look like me. Probably after 100 you'll look like me. It doesn't take that long.
Because I own the tools as well, you know, I got Tape Pro kit,
Oh yeah.
but I just don't get to use it.
You can't.
Well, I don't get to because I don't.
He doesn't do any of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't have 100 inches to do it.
I feel like if I had a lot of practice, like if I work with you guys for like a few months, I think I could be like really good, you know.
Oh, definitely, man. Quickest ones to learn are the ones you want to learn.
Yeah.
Alright.
And people that actually enjoy it.
We wake up and I'm like, he calls me every morning, like, you ready for today?
Really?
Oh, I'm ready. And then we do the bro shake when we get it.
Show him how good you are. Yeah. Oh no.
Not easy.
What's all that?
You got it though.
Yeah, I got it.
I get you a ladder. Oh, you got one here.
I don't think so. I only just did it.
Oh man. Not need to alarm you, but like this.
Ready for the weekend?
Oh man, bring it on.
Right. You can't see really big to live.
That's all of them?
And then, so once he does these two, we'll go back through and we'll repeat wherever there's a recess, except for cupboards. So normally you might get a handful of them.
Couple.
Like if there's, like we don't need to do the garage, but if there's one in the living room that's got a recess.
It's like a stand-up sheet or something.
Yeah, like a stand-up sheet. Like I see if there's one there. To be honest, there might not be any. None of these have it. Oh, this square set, yeah, you'll see the square set.
Hang on, I'll just get DJ doing these.
Ready? Yeah.
Just in the middle. Is that? I don't know if it's going to be one of those
From
glass.
here that way.
A little more to your right. Yes. Yeah, same thing with the hole.
That's it.
Just to fill it up a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just in those spots.
Like we don't do cupboards and any of that.
You'll see if there's. These cupboards will do, or at least one of them. That one. That one. Oh, yeah. That's very light. Yep.
It does dry pretty well, eh? Like,
Yeah.
you would be able to do it in a day.
It looks dry from the top because there's a bit of wind, but underneath it's still wet.
Yeah.
If we were to try and run that right now, it would pinhole like crazy.
Right. And then you'd have to fix shit up anyway.
Literally, so it's like you end up wasting time
Yeah.
for no reason, you know.
Yeah.
But if we ran the base, this, then we could finish it in a day. It was nice, hot, windy, because that stuff dries obviously way quicker.
Yeah.
Anything?
One in here.
Alright. Okay, so you can see it's a really strong shoulder. And it is full, but we just repeat it because it gives it that bit more, covers it nicer. So now it's a lot flatter. Yeah, I shouldn't have any issues coming through.
Oil it, that's it.
Pretty good, man.
And that's pretty much our system for every job. Unless they're huge, get 2 coats on.